If you're like me, focus comes and goes in waves, and today I'm going to share 4 hacks that you can start doing as soon as you watch this video. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel where I help you upgrade your mindset, money, and more with the hopes that it will inspire you to live a changed life. And today we're talking about a topic that I think everyone can relate to. What you focus on grows, and this works in positive ways and in negative ways too. So I'm going to share with you 4 techniques that I use to optimize what I think is the biggest life hack, and that's focus. I start my day with one of the best habits that I've ever integrated into my life to optimize my focus, and that's something I call my power hour. This is a habit or a technique that is outlined by Robin Sharma in his book, The 5 a.m. Club. And quick note, I can hear you now. You don't have to wake up at 5 a.m. to implement this. It consists of 3 steps. It starts with 20 minutes of movement. So that means for me, I'm going to do something that is a high intensity workout, whether that is lifting weights at home, going to the gym, maybe doing cardio at an elevated pace, something to get the blood flowing and really prime your body for the day. Secondly is 20 minutes of reflection. And so for me, that looks like me grabbing my journal, sitting down and planning my day, writing out 3 things that I'm grateful for and identifying those things in my life that I have so much to be thankful for. I also do things like setting goals for the day as well. And maybe if I'm not grabbing my journal, or in addition to that, I might do some prayer or meditation, but I really feel this grounds me, so I'm starting the day out on the right foot. And third is 20 minutes of growing, which I really view as my learning stage. And so that means I am going to listen to a podcast while I'm making breakfast, or maybe I'm going to grab a book or read something for that 20-minute section. I'm also going to do things like maybe listen to a YouTube video on a topic that I'm interested or passionate about, or something that's going to help me in my business. So this is something that allows my brain to wake up and my brain to be activated going forward. And when I look at my life and think about times that I was doing the power hour as a start to my day compared to times that I wasn't, I was way more focused. I had a lot more energy, and I was just overall more driven when I incorporated it. So that's why I'm encouraging you to give it a try. A big part of staying focused honestly comes down to your environment. Is there an annoying hum coming from the refrigerator that keeps you distracted? Are your coworkers walking through your workspace and you can't help but take a quick glance to see who it is, let alone take a short break to talk with them? Or is your workspace just too messy? Speaking of messy, the sponsor of today's video is Magtame, who make magnetic-inspired, tangle-free charge cables that keep your workspace clutter-free and help you keep the main purpose of this video, focus, a priority. They sent me 2 different charging cables I've been using for a while, and it's definitely cut down on what's on my desk or in my backpack while I'm traveling, and allows me to keep a clean workspace. This means I've got exactly what I need to get the job done, and the job done well. I decided to get a USB to Lightning cable because for me, I can use it to charge up my iPhone as well as my iPad. And then when I do upgrade it to the newest iPhone, I can use this USB C to C cable, which I'm currently using to charge up all of my camera batteries. So I'm really pumped with these 2 cables. They are high quality, will definitely last a long time, and it takes away the need for straps or multiple cables of different sizes because they can adjust. So you've got everything you need all in one cable. For everyone watching, there's a special 10% off coupon code KOLYT10 when you enter that using my affiliate link down below. So check that out and let me know what you think. I wish I had the discipline to set a goal and achieve it time after time with no exceptions, but that's not the case. I firmly believe that I've been able to achieve the goals I have because of something called accountability. At the start of this year, I started a mastermind group for online creators, people that wanted to start an online business and people in that space essentially. And we come together once a month as a group of people that are super focused on achieving our goals and helping each other do the exact same thing. And so for me, we're able to share business techniques. We're able to share what's working. We're also able to share what's not working. And as a group, we collaborate and we come forward because because I really believe you can go further, faster when you're together. But accountability is the ultimate goal here, because journaling is a great habit. And the thing I love about that is that you really get to put the pen to paper on the dreams that you have, the goals that you have. But in the end, accountability, I really believe, is what's going to make those dreams and goals happen. This mastermind is an example of that, because we always set a goal at the end of every call that we want to achieve by next month or the next time that we meet. And then we follow up on that. We hold each other accountable, because sometimes it's really easy to sit back and say, oh, I didn't achieve this goal for whatever reason. Insert excuse here. So the big thing that I've recognized is that when it comes to accountability, if I'm the person that's kind of bringing people together here, I can't be leading not by example. I need to make sure that I'm holding myself accountable, but also I'm holding myself accountable to the group. It's been a great way for me to step into a role that forces me to push myself when I know I'm in a group of motivated people doing the same. Have you ever been in the flow state where everything seems to be clicking and everything you touch turns to gold? I believe one of the best ways to do this, to stay focused and to create more high quality work, is to work in batches. An easy example of this is here on my YouTube channel. Let's say I make a video every week here in my living room. I could set up my lights, I could get my mic in place, I could make sure that my camera is ready to film and stage whatever I need before I record the video, edit, and upload it for that week. This entire process could take anywhere from a few hours to a few days, and honestly, I could do that and repeat it every week I make a video, or I could batch the work. This means that I set up my recording space once and I record all the videos for the month at the same time. Then I edit all the video at once, followed by uploading and scheduling my videos for the month, which would save me an insane amount of time and honestly energy too. It's about working smarter and not harder, and batching work is a simple way to do this. Now, what hacks do you use to stay focused? Let me know down in the comment section below. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this video and click the subscribe button to upgrade your mindset, money, and more.